how to add people and friends on Telegram by username. So to do this, we first need to head over to the Telegram application and then click on contacts in the bottom left hand side. Now there's two ways to add new people to your Telegram contacts. The first is by pressing the search box, and then you can go ahead and start searching for a username. Now when you get to a certain amount of characters in the search, it's going to go and switch it to a global search. So you can see if I just type in random letters here, we have a whole bunch of different accounts that we can go and add. So that's the first way you can go and add people. The second method is to come back over to contacts, click on the plus icon in the top right hand side of the screen, and if you know this person's telephone number, and then you can always add them by just tapping in the number here, and then you can create a new contact and they will appear in your contacts list down here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.